Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to solve the Zoom app not compatible problem. If you've been struggling with Zoom not working properly on your device, this quick fix will get you back up and running in no time. First, let's start by clicking on the Windows button, which you'll find at the bottom left corner of your screen. Some of you might know this as the Start button. Once you click it, a menu will appear with various options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you'll manage all your system configurations and installed applications. Next, within the Settings window, click on Apps. This section displays all the applications currently installed on your computer, allowing you to manage, modify, or remove them as needed. Now, you'll need to scroll down through the list until you find Zoom. Depending on how many applications you have installed, this might take a moment, so just take your time and look carefully through the list. Once you've located the Zoom app, click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Uninstall. This action prepares the app for removal from your system. You'll then need to click Uninstall again to confirm your decision. This double confirmation ensures you don't accidentally remove applications. After confirming, wait for a few seconds while your system processes the uninstallation and completely removes Zoom from your computer. Now that the old version is removed, it's time to reinstall a fresh, compatible version. Click on the Windows button or Start button once more. This time, instead of going to Settings, click on Documents. From there, navigate to and select Downloads. This is typically where your downloaded files are stored by default. Look through your Downloads folder until you find the Zoom installer file. Once you've located it, double-click on the installer to begin the installation process. The installer will start working, so wait for a few seconds while it downloads and installs the fresh version of Zoom onto your system. After the installation completes, a message pop will appear on your screen, confirming that the process is finished. Simply click Done to close this message and finalize the setup. And there you have it. By uninstalling the incompatible version and reinstalling a fresh copy, you've successfully resolved the Zoom app compatibility issue. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.